Single E sound. This is a very simple and self-explanatory sound. Mouth opening should be very minute, and the tip of your tongue needs to touch the ridge of your lower gums while flapping up to the front of your upper jaw/palate to complete the next sound. For example, slept, crept, depth, net site, internet, debt, read, met, fed, bread, dread, kept, swept, 10, any, many, pet, bet, let, set, regret, jet. I was so tired that I slept like a baby. He crept out of nowhere. It was such a shock. Certain topics of study need to be understood in depth. I was looking for a net site, which I can use to obtain cooking recipes. The internet is a great medium to search for items. If you owe him so much of money, then you are in great debt. She was so angry with him that she turned red. Have you seen that classical movie of When Harry Met Sally? If you try to raise kittens, then they need to be fed regularly. Some poor people are even deprived of bread. The movie was so frightening, rather it was a dread. For many couples, romance has kept the relationship alive. When I first saw him, he swept me off of my feet. In the Bible there are 10 commandments. The receptionist told me, "Sir, is there anything else I can help you with?" There were so many people in the cricket stadium. I would love to have a dog as a pet. I can anytime bet you that he would never leave her. She needs to let him do his work. Can you please set the oven on low heat? I might regret this someday. A high-speed airplane can also be known as a jet.